Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Respected teachers, dear fellows, esteemed guests, and fellows Pakistanis, Assalamu alaikum. Today, we gather in Riyazul Jannah to celebrate a momentous occasion in our national history, the 77th anniversary of Pakistan independence. On this day, in 1947, our beloved country gained freedom from a colonial rule and a new chapter in our journey began. We paid tribute to the visionaries who dream of separate homeland for Muslims. The tireless effort of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, and Liaquat Ali Khan have made our independence possible. We have come a long way since our inception. We have faced challenges, overcome obstacles, and made significant progress. Our nation has shown resilience and determination in the face of adversity. We take pride in our natural cultural and we take pride in our natural cultural have a bleached in the face of cultural. Our nation has shown released and become here. Let us renew our commitment, equality, justice, and commission. Truly let us work truly, commitment, and build a Pakistan inclusive. Long life Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan.